This is Rain Vance with Love Is. Thank you for loving me, for listening to me where others didn't, for being patient and kind no matter the time of day. Thank you for respecting and honoring my body, mind, and soul, for being my mirror, seeing me, allowing all that is to be. Thank you for having the integrity to practice what you preach, for sharing who you are with me, for shining your light all over me and encouraging me to shine mine. Thank you for being the completely amazing and beautiful you that you are, and allowing me to be the same. This is love. This is Rain Vance with Love Is.